my name is Haley. I'm here with Wild Hand, and today I'm going to show you how to carry your yarn up the side when you're knitting multicolored stripes. I'll be using these Leica straight needles, and for my yarn, I'll be using 2 colors of Monosil Uruguay Cardo. So let's get started. To begin, I'm just going to cast on some stitches using a long tail cast on. You can use whatever cast on and however many stitches you would like. And once my stitches are cast on, I'm going to work 2 rows of stockinette. So I'm going to knit the first row and purl the second row. So no special technique on these first 2 rows, just 2 rows of knitting. Now I'm going to switch color for this next row. So I'm just going to pick up my new color and again work 2 rows of stockinette. No special technique, just 2 rows of knitting. I'm going to knit the first row, purl the second row. And now that we have both of our colors on our needles and it's time for my next pink stripe, we are ready to carry our yarn. So over here you can see the side looks a little crazy right now. And we are going to take the pink yarn and just tighten it up to match the tension of the rest of the stitches on the row. And I'm going to wrap it around my finger and just begin knitting with this color instead of the coral. So I just dropped the coral. And when you work this first stitch, you don't want it to be too tight so that it pulls up the row below. So I like to just give it a little space to breathe. And then you just continue on knitting. So again, knit the first row, purl the second row if you're working in stockinette like I am. Since I'm ready to switch colors again, I'm going to go ahead and tighten up my coral just a little bit, and then I'm going to drop the pink, pick up the coral, and again I'm just going to begin knitting with it like so. So again, knit the first row, purl the second row, and you'll continue this method for as long as you want, as many stripes as you want. The sky is the limit and the world is your oyster with this technique. It also saves you so much time weaving in your ends at the end of your project. So I did a couple more rows and here we are. You can see this side is the regular side. This side is where we have, all of the floats from carrying our yarn up. Technically, you can work this technique over any number of stripes or colors, but personally 3 is my max for colors and 4 rows, meaning if I do pink, then it'll be pink, 1, 2, 3, 4, pink. And I feel like this just helps keep the clutter off of this section. But if you're working something where you're going to pick up stitches along this edge, then it really won't matter because all that will get tucked away. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch all of our future videos.